What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you my Boxycharm. I haven't done this in a really long time and I don't really know what compelled me to do it today other than the fact that I was really excited for this box. It came relatively early. I've had it since yesterday, but I haven't been feeling well, so this is the first day that I have felt like getting in front of a camera, so here I am. So if you would like to see what I got in my Boxycharm for, what month is it? November 2019, then please keep watching. Alright, so inside this box is, and I'm going to put my glasses on, so we'll probably have some glare. Maybe not. We have Stellar is the theme for this month. And we have our little pamphlet here that tells us what is in this box. I have version number 10. And I have looked in here. Yes, of course I've looked in here, and I'm super happy about most of it. I was hoping for the Lily Lashes and I didn't get those, but I'm still really happy with this box, so let's get into it. The very first thing is what I was most excited about, and that is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics palette. It's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Gorgeous colors, and I'm going to swatch it for you here in a minute, but I'm going to read to you about it first and then I'll come back and swatch it. It says, Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigment, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life, and it retails for $35. I was most excited about this because I've never tried Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow. I did get a lip gloss in another Boxycharm, but I have really wanted to try her eyeshadows for a while, so I'm really excited to have this. I am going to swatch it for you real quick on my hand and then I'll be back. Okay, so here are the swatches. They're gorgeous. Oh, they are super pretty. I love the color story. So this is Lucid Dream. This is Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. And then to this side we've got Eternal Light, which, oh my goodness, you guys, it's gorgeous. Fireball, which is kind of a duochrome. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of like a orange-pink duochrome. And then we've got Black Matter right there. And then Zero Gravity right there. They're pretty. But look at that Eternal Light. How beautiful would that be on a cut crease? Seriously. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and the textures feel really nice. Even the glitter. I think the glitter one will need a glitter glue, but I think it is absolutely gorgeous. The next product we have is ChiPress. I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, but it says it's an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum, and this was my choice item, so I chose this as opposed to the Juice Beauty under eye cream. I have had lots of Juice Beauty, and there is just something about the smell of all of it that just absolutely turns me off. I'm sure they're great products, but Okay, antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe, it retails for $90. All I can say is what I always say when something is this pricey, and there better be some magic in this bottle. But it's really a pretty bottle, actually. And I will show you the consistency. It comes with an eyedropper, obviously. And it's kind of white and milky. I smelled it last night. And it just smells kind of herbal. It's nothing offensive, nothing strong. But it's a very thick, milky serum. And I did use it last night. It was kind of sticky. It's not something that I think I would want to put underneath makeup. I don't know, it might be a good primer. These are the kind of things that you just have to try see how your foundation lays over it, because it does say in the instructions to do it morning and night. And my face did feel super soft and hydrated this morning when I woke up. So far so good. I am always excited to get a high dollar skincare item. The next product is a Dose of Colors Lippy. You guys know I'm a fan of this formula. I love it. I'm excited that these are actually unique colors that were created for Boxycharm custom colors. And so I know I don't have it, which is really cool, because if it was one of their regular line, I probably already have it. But it says our liquid matte lipstick is a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. It retails for $18. The shade that I got is Nude Mood. Anyways, it's gorgeous. And I love this formula. I always call it a moussey formula. They're calling it velvety. I call it moussey. Kind of like the Gen Nude, Bare Minerals Gen Nude. There's another one, Meat Matte, I think, by The Balm. It just really has a nice texture that does dry down to matte, but it's not crackly and crumbly and uncomfortable. I really like it. So that's what the tube looks like. The packaging is pretty. I love the doe foot on these. I call it a scooped doe foot, because like there's a little, are you gonna focus? I don't think it is. Anyway, it has a scooped doe foot. And I love that. So I'm going to swatch it for you on the top of my hand so you can see the color, and I'll try to remember to show it to you after it dries down. Ordinarily, they dry down just a tad bit deeper than the actual color that it is when you first swatch it. But I love this. This is a really kind of a mid-tone rosy mauve, kind of maybe a peachy mauve even, or peachy nude. It's hard to describe, but it is right up my alley. That's all I have to say about that. I am super glad that I didn't get one of the reds, not because I didn't think they were pretty colors, but because I will get a lot more use out of this nude than I will out of one of those reds. All right, next is a set of 2 Tula Skincare Star Powered Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks. These retail for $22, I'm assuming, for the set of 2. And it says clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne. So I guess when I have a breakout, this is what I need to use. But I really like, I have had Tula masks before, and I really like them. And the fact that it says it's a gel mask, a hydrogel mask, I love those because it has like 2 layers, and you put it on and then you peel it off and it's like a jelly, and it just locks in, you know, it stays put. But this says it has probiotics, grapefruit, go-to cola, chamomile for helping to calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention, antioxidant and superfood that brightens the appearance of skin, an herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity and calm, soothes, and helps relieve looks of redness. So you leave it on 5 to 10 minutes and I guess you're in business after that. I will always be happy about getting a sheet mask of any kind because I really like them. And every time I get them I say, you know, I should really use these more often. And I'm going to endeavor to do that. And I do them, but very infrequently. And last was the thing that I was second most excited about. And these are the Boxycharm. This is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. I'm just super intrigued by these. This is kind of like a rubbery little pouch. And I know the people that got the premium got the full set. I'm a little bit butthurt by Boxycharm for me not getting premium. I understand that they did it in the fair way of giving it to the people in the order that they emailed and signed up. But my take on this situation is that if you've been a Boxycharm subscriber for however long, I think seniority should have something to do with that. I think if you have been subscribed for a really long time, you should have first dibs. That's my opinion, and I'm gonna always have that opinion because that's loyalty, and I think people that are loyal to your brand ought to have first dibs on new products. So I'm butthurt, and I'm not over it yet. So there you have it. These are super interesting. They're very dense. I've heard people describe these as an artiste brush on a stick instead of like a paddle. But it has the Boxycharm logo on it, on the handle, and it has like a divot right here. That's what I really like, is that there's a place for your fingers to really get a good grip, and this is super soft. So let me read to you about these. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush, which is this one, is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush, boom, has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. They retail for $35. So this is what we got. I think I would use this for foundation too. Just make quick work of everything, right? But anyway, that's what they look like, and I think they're super groovy looking, and I think I will love them actually. But I'll probably use them both for foundation. I'm excited about those, but I really kind of would have liked to have the whole set, so they should have given me premium. So that is it. I am going to add up the total value of the box. As you guys know, or if you don't know, I guess I better tell you. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, they have just increased the price to $25 plus tax. I'm not complaining based on what I got in this box to pay $25 for it. It was worth it. For me, the palette alone was worth it. So I'm happy with the box. I'm super excited about everything in it. All right, so let me add it up. I need a calculator. All right, my total is $200. So for $25 plus tax, I got $200 worth of products. I am so okay with that. So it was kind of fun to do an unboxing with the prettiness and the prettiness. I don't know if you can tell that it has deepened a little bit as it dried down. With the prettiness, I'm excited about what I got in the box. I actually had a really good time unboxing the Boxycharm this time. I told you guys that for a while I was feeling super uninspired and just didn't have any desire whatsoever to unbox something that I had already seen people unbox 100 times, but I did get mine pretty early this time, and there's quite a few variations this time, so I've been excited to see what other people got. Did they give me the lashes? No, but it's all right. I'll forgive you this time if you give me the premium like you should have. Butt hurt. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. I'm tired of trying to hold my head down here so that I don't have a glare. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me for a few minutes and seeing what I got in my Boxycharm. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. I was wishing for the Lushy Lashes. Okay, next is a dose of color, I will always be happy to be, I will always be happy to be able to talk. I will always be happy about getting actual It says create your favorite holiday. Where did holiday come from? There's no holiday in there. Create your favorite looks in a Alright, 35. 35 plus, 90 plus, 18 plus, 22 plus, 35 plus. And I am excited to use all of it. I'm gonna have lots of bloopers. So, I actually had a good time unboxing this. I told you guys that for a while there, like, I was uninspired. I wasn't even about it. I didn't have any desire whatsoever to unbox my back. Yay! I did it! I did it!
Say my name, let it burn. Oh honey, let your body turn in. Say my name, say my name, say my name, oh say my name.